In this tutorial video, I will explain you how you can change the profile of this rectangle into this one by using the draft command. Okay, so let's start. First of all, select file, click on new, select here part and click OK. Just to explain you how to use the draft command, I am making a triangular shape. For that, select here the rectangle and front plane and make a center rectangle like this. After that, select this smart dimension tool and make the dimension of this line as let's make it as 80 millimeter, and select this line and make it dimension as 120 mm. Okay, so now go to features and extrude this by using the extruded boss base command and just increase this number. Okay, so 60 mm is looking fine. Here is our 3D object, and let's apply the draft command. This is the draft command. Select this command, and in this window just select this face. Okay, and then increase the draft angle. Let's assign it to 20 degree, and in this window select these faces, and the profile of these faces will be changed. Let's see how. Just click on apply here, and here we have the updated shape. Let's change it a little bit more. Select here edit features, and let's change it to 45 degree, and after that click OK, and here you can see the updated profile. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you.